Hello, everyone, and welcome to today's webinar, where the topic today is Unified Work Management with Project Online and the new Project for the Web. My name is Doug Wellesby, and I'm the Channel Manager here at WICRESOFT. During today's webinar, attendees will be on mute and the line will not be open for questions. However, feel free to use the GoToWebinar question feature to submit questions. I will respond to these questions via email after the webinar, and we'll email out the attendee slides and a link to the webinar recording once the webinar is wrapped up. And with that, let's get started with today's webinar. I'll take you through several items during the webinar today, wrapping up with a demonstration and a summary and next steps. But first, I want to reintroduce you to Project Online and Project for the Web. I'll walk you through some unified work management concepts and introduce our WICRESOFT OneConnect solution, which enables us to bring together Project Online and Project for the Web projects in a natural and intuitive interface. We'll walk through some use cases, and as I mentioned earlier, then we'll get to the demonstration and a summary and next steps. So let's take a few minutes and reintroduce Project Online and the Project for the Web application. Microsoft's PPM solution is best equipped to help you with transforming your organizational strategy into high impact outcomes. The solution supports end-to-end lifecycle management. So for example, if you're ideating or submitting project requests, then planning out the work and the activities to be delivered, and finally executing on that strategy, Project Online has been in market for many years and enables that end-to-end work lifecycle and the delivery of those strategic initiatives through that solution. It supports full collaboration based on the Office 365 environment, offers insights and reporting through Power BI, and of course is extensible to allow value-add add-on solutions to be developed and delivered with Project Online, as I'll be walking you through today with our OneConnect tool set. Now, Microsoft recently introduced the Microsoft Project for the Web solution. More and more customers were demanding flexible tools for doing work, looking for something that was designed to meet the future state of work management. What we've been seeing is that we don't have highly trained project managers who are managing projects and work, but more often we see people who have been nominated from technical areas or other parts of the business thrown into the mix of having to manage projects. And these users need a tool that's easy to use for them to get things accomplished quickly and painlessly. They're looking for web-based project management and delivery tools. Project for the Web fills a gap in the Microsoft solution offerings. Planner has been available at the lower end for basic work management with a Kanban type approach. Planner is included with most volume licensing agreements, so at a low cost and lower end of capabilities, it's designed to meet just the basics. There are things, however, that it doesn't do, such as resource management, so you have no insight into how busy your teams are. At the opposite end of the spectrum, there's enterprise project management and Microsoft's solution branded Project Online. Project Online offers end-to-end PPM lifecycle capabilities, from demand management to portfolio analysis, project delivery, resource management, and reporting. It's truly an enterprise-grade solution. Paired with Project Online is Project Professional, offering comprehensive scheduling capabilities. Project's been in the market for over 30 years and is widely known as the de facto tool for project management professionals. So the gap between Planner, which is just the basics, and Professional for, well, professionals, is now being filled with Project for the Web. Project for the Web offers much richer capabilities than Planner, with flexible scheduling and work management functionality. The idea is to work the way you want and get the results you need. Project for the Web offers a fresh new experience to get started, but with a familiar Office feel and integration with Office 365. It might be a simple task list with task names, assignments, and dates, or perhaps more comprehensive scheduling with additional scheduling details, percent complete status, and more. Collaboration is even easier with concurrent project scheduling capabilities between team members and, of course, full integration with Microsoft Teams. We see here that Project for the Web permits tasks in a task list in a more card-based Kanban type approach. And of course, roadmap views provide for self-service dashboard creation and roadmap sharing amongst team members. So what are some unified work management concepts? Most organizations have different levels of work management and different ways of thinking about how they deliver on their work initiatives. At the top level, we think about strategy, strategies for success within your organization, development of strategic plans, and performance planning and budgeting for a fiscal year. We think about product lifecycle planning and themes and strategies for the overall business to deliver on success. At the next level down, we break these strategies into programs and portfolios. Portfolios group together, for example, initiatives, service lines, product offerings. Perhaps your programs or portfolios are organized along organizational lines or geographic lines, countries or states through which the organization is delivering on its business. And then finally, work execution and collaboration. This is where the rubber really hits the road, where the tasks that you have focused on within your projects, programs, and portfolios, again, map through to a strategy, get delivered on. So this work might include everything ranging from IT projects, billable projects if you're outsourcing, to-do lists, etc. It's truly a pyramid and a stack of different levels of work management. Your enterprise work management lifecycle, again, is split between the portfolio level and the execution level. And it's at that portfolio level that Project Online truly meets the needs of the organization. It provides top-down executive guidance and direction so that you're able to conduct high-level enterprise modeling and define financial and operational targets. At the execution level, once again, where those projects are being delivered and the tasks and work are being delivered upon, you have a number of different tools available to you for delivery of that work. If you're working within a Project Online environment, you can use Project Online together with a Project Online desktop client. And what we'll focus on today is showing you how you can enable additional tool sets within this enterprise work management lifecycle to deliver on work and activities, projects, with tools such as Project for the Web, or as we've shown in other webinars and other sessions, Planner, Azure Boards, or even Jira. Gartner has already spoken about this. They've indicated that we do need absolutely to provide the right tool for the job at hand. And at the portfolio level, clearly Project Online is the de facto standard, the tool for use for delivering on portfolio level decision-making, strategic themes, and enterprise reporting. But at the execution level, while Project Professional and Project Online do absolutely meet those needs for an enterprise PMO, more and more organizations are interested in supporting and enabling other execution level tools, such as Project for the Web, Jira, Azure Boards, Planner, other tool sets that are used for delivering on work and tasks. So what if you've already made a large investment in Project Online? Well, with OnePlan for Project Online, we enable you to leverage the new Project for the Web solution from Microsoft. We also enable you to roll in planning tools and work from Agile solutions such as Azure Boards or Jira. Perhaps you're interested in slowly transitioning to the new Power Apps platform and you want to embrace Project for the Web and Power Apps, but take it at your own speed and don't immediately move away from Project Online. OnePlan for Project Online enables this slow transition and this movement towards a new platform at the speed and at the pace that your organization is able to support. So with the new Project for the Web, you're able to use Project for the Web and Project Online together. Microsoft has launched Project for the Web and released this as a separate service to be enabled and used side by side with Project Online. It supports this use of both tools through integration with the Project Home, the Project Roadmap feature, and of course, Power BI for reporting. We'll walk through the demonstration today, starting with these three key elements: Project Home, Roadmap, and Power BI for visualization and management of projects between Project Online and Project for the Web concurrently. But what if you really want to integrate these two closer together in your existing Project Online environment? Well, that's where OnePlan can help. Projects from both services become visible and can be managed in OnePlan and directly within your Project Online interface. There'll be no transitioning from Project Online to Project for the Web. Instead, you'll have full visibility into a portfolio of projects using the Project Online Project Center or using our OnePlan portfolio views, showing you a collection of projects across an entire portfolio, program, or a business unit. You're able to view and manage both resources and financials across both sides of the equation here, the Project Web App and Project for the Web solutions using OnePlan. And you can do full and comprehensive prioritization within a portfolio of projects, no matter what the delivery and execution tool is, be it Project Web App or Project for the Web. The solution that integrates those together and ties and knits together both Project Online and Project for the Web is known as WICRESOFT's OneConnect. So OneConnect truly enables a unified work management platform. The solution was originally developed to provide bidirectional support for work being managed in a waterfall fashion in Project Online and in an agile fashion in Visual Studio. Since then, we've significantly grown the solution to enable many, many other integrations between Project Online and other software development tools such as Azure Boards or Jira, with financial management tools for bidirectional support between Project Online and solutions such as Oracle Financials or SAP for exchange of financial information about your projects. Service management with ServiceNow as an example, where ticketing and help desk solutions are delivered with ServiceNow, but when something becomes more than just a to-do or a single task to fix or address a ticket, we can address that with Project Online. And then finally, of course, work management. And work management's enabled bidirectionally with Project Online, connecting through to both Project for the Web, Planner, SharePoint task list projects, and of course, integration out of the box with Teams. So what are some use cases around this unified PPM approach? Well, first of all, if your organization is stacking things up, like we've shown here, where you have portfolios broken down into programs, then broken down into teams that are delivering on the work associated with those programs and portfolios, you might have traditional projects that are being delivered with a solution such as Project Online. You might have more agile projects which are being delivered with a tool such as Azure Boards or Jira. Or you might have agile projects, or what we're starting to see in here called accidental projects, no longer developed in a or delivered in a tool greatly simplified down to using a solution such as Excel, but available and delivered in Project for the Web. So you need to find the right balance, a balance between governance provided with an enterprise project management solution, such as Project Online, and agility offering the flexibility to the teams that are delivering on the work and tasks at hand, using the tool that they're most comfortable with, most suited to the task at hand. There's no use rolling out a complex and comprehensive project management solution or tool if the team doesn't have the maturity, knowledge, or specifically if they don't have the need for a comprehensive tool to deliver on a lightweight, easy, quick to market type of schedule or series of work activities. So find the right balance between the tools you're delivering, be agile, but still keeping in mind the importance and need for governance, visibility, insight, alignment, and control. So WICRESOFT's OneConnect for Project Online allows you to get there quickly using your investments that you have today already in Project Online and layering on top of that, that agile capability with Project for the Web. We allow you to do portfolio management inside the Project Online environment. You can execute the full lifecycle of your projects in Project Online, but the execution of the tasks can be happening within Project for the Web. And of course, we have an automated sync of Project for the Web tasks back to Project Online, full visibility available to the enterprise PMO within the Project Online environment, even if those tasks within that simplified, let's call it accidental project plan, are being delivered with Project for the Web. So enough talk, let's get to a demonstration and take a look at what the solution looks like in flight. So I'll first walk you through a couple of basics about Project Online and things that have been available with the Project Online environment for quite some time now. The first screen we're looking at here is the project homepage, a landing page for users of the solution introduced approximately a year ago. We're in the Office 365 environment. We're looking at the Microsoft Project solution. I'm logged on using a demo persona, Daniel Williams, and you'll see that I've favorited several projects of mine that I focus on and work with every single day. Now, on this single screen where I'm viewing my favorites, I'm mixing within this solution projects that are being delivered using Project Web App or Project Online and the new Microsoft Project for the Web. We see the difference here where some are PWA projects and others are projects, indicating Project for the Web. To add an additional project to the solution, it's as simple as highlighting one of those projects in this list below that I've worked with recently, clicking on that favorite icon, and it'll appear in my list of favorites. So it provides me quick and easy access to a variety of different projects, again, on both sides of this enterprise project management solution from Microsoft, Project Online or Project for the Web. The second area of the solution that provides integration between the two sides is the road mapping capability within the tool. So this innovation portfolio roadmap, I have this opened to show you that here what we've done is we've mixed a variety of different projects into a roadmap view, highlighting projects that are coming from, for example, the software development project in Project for the Web, or the VoIP phones project being delivered as part of Project Online. So an individual could go through, they could build out their own roadmap view, highlighting, as an example, some key dates along the top, adding projects that they focus on or that are critical to them or the success of this particular clustering of projects into a program type view, and then finally can share that out easily with others in their organization to provide visibility and insights into this portfolio view of a series of projects, all without involving IT, all without calling the PMO to build out a specific report for them. All of this is self-service BI to add projects to this view, again, from both Project for the Web and Project Online. Next up, of course, we have comprehensive reporting available within the solution set. So this dashboard view, through which we can drill into any of these tiles to expose additional details, is bringing out and exposing in a Power BI dashboarding environment information coming from Project Online. This next BI view is bringing out and exposing information about projects, resources, tasks, etc., that are being delivered in Project for the Web. So we're able to report on information from both the enterprise solution, Project Online, and from the lightweight, again, let's call it accidental, project manager solution, Project for the Web, where we're not necessarily focused on enterprise strategies, but still need to keep track of what work's being done, who's working on those specific projects, and what the status is with regards to progress that's happening within those environments. So once again, as a quick review, we have the homepage for project managers to quickly get to the work they're delivering on, the roadmap view to assemble a series of projects into a self-service type of report, and then comprehensive reporting across both Microsoft Project Online and Project for the Web using Power BI for that reporting capability. So a quick refresher on Project for the Web, the new project management tool from Microsoft. We've delivered some other webinars on this where we go into a much deeper dive than I'll cover today, but just very quickly, Project for the Web allows a project manager to get up and running very quickly with a basic project management tool set designed to look and feel very much like Excel, where I can go through, build out a project schedule, create some tasks, giving them each a name, perhaps indicating when they might start or finish or the potential duration for those tasks, assign the work to someone, and then indicate the percent complete or perhaps the amount of effort required for delivery on those tasks. It's very quick to build out a new plan, determine who works on this plan and who's within this group, share it out with others in my extended team that I work with within the enterprise. And then as I build out these tasks in this particular plan, visualize the information in different fashions than I can see with Microsoft Excel. So here in this grid view that I'm showing, I see a long list of project tasks that I've built out, much like I might see in Excel, but you certainly can't do this with Excel, switching to a timeline view and having a representation in this timeline type of experience to show the flow of the project, the links and dependencies between those different tasks, which project tasks have been completed, and of course, drag and drop scheduling capabilities directly within this view. And then of course, you don't have these types of views available in Excel either. So board views offering you the capability to group your project activities together in a variety of fashions, including this bucket view where you can easily go through and define your bucket names, in this case, backlog, sprint 1 or sprint 2. You can view tasks and activities within that project plan grouped together by progress, not started, in progress, completed, or by finish date, what's late, what's coming up tomorrow, and what are future activities that you still have yet to schedule within that project or to have to deliver on. So again, there are other webinars that we have delivered recently that go into a much deeper dive about Project for the Web. This was intended to be a quick summary of how this new solution works. But as you can see, it offers you a lightweight and yet quite comprehensive and powerful capability for rapidly building out and prototyping projects and viewing the information in different fashions, such as timelines or board views. So what about a quick refresher on the Project Online solution? Project Web App or Project Online is this enterprise-grade solution offering you end-to-end lifecycle project management capabilities. In this demonstration environment, we've broken this out to offer you the idea and request type of approach for dropping in new project requests. Once you've submitted a series of projects, you can do comprehensive portfolio analysis. Once you're into delivering the projects and they've been approved, we've got full visibility into the project center showing you a collection of projects together with the capability to visualize additional information about those projects, such as documents, issues, risks, other related information important to the delivery of a life cycle of projects. So a very extensible and comprehensive solution out of the box. Project Online allows you to develop enterprise views of all of the project work being delivered within your organizational's enterprise project management office. So this view of the project center within Project Online shows you a series of projects with some high-level indicators about the health of those projects, different colored KPI type indicators to show you green, yellow, and red regarding the overall health or the schedule health. We see some information about the progress being made, percent complete, start, finish, etc. And these projects are, of course, grouped together in this view by the current state. Projects that have been requested, approved, projects that are in progress. Now this view is very flexible in that we can easily move information around on these screens, or if I transition to a different view, you'll see that we support different ways of delivering on the data within this same project center environment. So for example, we could group projects together by the portfolio that they belong to, or we could change that view again and show it by perhaps program or product. The key here is flexibility within this environment. Project Online supports an enterprise project management view, complete with security around which projects, which information is available to users of the solution, who gets to see what, and a very comprehensive and configurable fashion to get this interface looking and feeling the way your organization wants to work for delivery on projects. Now, this solution is built to work with Project Desktop, the professional project management solution from Microsoft. So if I was to look at this list of projects and select one of these projects, such as this VoIP phones project, which is currently in progress, I can click to open that project. You'll see here that the VoIP phones project has a full and comprehensive Microsoft project schedule built for that project plan. I can expand this out to show all levels of that project, and you'll see I've got the project plan itself, different phases for initiating, developing a charter, task level activities happening, including resources assigned to those various activities. Everything and anything you would expect to be able to deliver with Project Desktop is a capability of Project Online, because we continue to use that tool, Project Professional, to manage our schedules and publish them to this Project Online environment. Now, with our WICRESOFT OneConnect solution, what we've done now is we've extended this solution to allow you to take projects such as this project marketing campaign and deliver that using Project for the Web, not Project Professional, and not just the Project Online environment, but for those users who are wanting to use the new lightweight scheduling tool to quickly build out, using an interface that resembles Microsoft Excel, a lightweight project schedule for perhaps a product marketing campaign with a series of tasks, some high-level start and finish information, perhaps who it's assigned to, and then track the percent complete on these activities. All of that's a capability of Project for the Web, but instead of just working with that tool standalone within Project for the Web, we have full visibility through integration with our WICRESOFT OneConnect solution to bring those projects into Microsoft Project Online and visualize those tools within this same enterprise reporting environment. So we've extended the ribbon to support Project for the Web. we can expose project for the web projects in this tool. And in much the same fashion as you can connect project desktop projects to Project Online and gather enterprise level information for reporting, filtering, grouping data in these views, you can do the same with those same Project Online custom fields for your project for the web projects. So we've offered a full integrated solution here in much the same fashion as we've delivered in the past with Office Planner, and we delivered webinars to show you how you can integrate there with Jira as an Agile software development tool, or with Azure DevOps, Microsoft's Azure Board solution. So if I was to open that product marketing campaign within the Project Online environment, you'll see here what it looks like in Project for the Web, but in Project Online, we have the same support for a project detail page structure where we can view project information, the details of the configurable Project Online custom fields that we set for this project, and then of course a full visualization of that schedule within Project Online. So if you have an enterprise PMO that has built itself based on Project Online and Microsoft Project Desktop, but you have users who want to get started and experiment with Project for the Web, we now have a solution, again, using WICRESOFT's OneConnect toolset to integrate Project for the Web with Project Online. This same tool, again, Project for the Web, allows you to visualize your projects with a grid-based approach, to view a timeline of that particular project, and of course, a Gantt chart representation of what that project plan looks like, or a full board view where we can see groupings by bucket, progress, or finish state, just like I showed you earlier with that software development project. And once again, the inclusion of that entire project plan directly within the Project Online environment, so there's no more necessity to flip back and forth between two tools, to have a disconnect between your enterprise PMO in Project Online and your accidental project managers who are using Project for the Web. Now, while we have a visualization representing a portfolio of projects here in Project Online within the Project Center and capability to view these projects by portfolio, perhaps by program or business unit, other information that we have associated with those projects to enable us to organize these views, to filter and group the data in those particular views. We also have an enterprise portfolio view into that collection of projects, which again is fully integrated with Project Online. So this portfolio view that I'm showing you here is part of our OnePlan solution, where on screen we're viewing, once again, a project center-like view, showing you here a grouping of projects by portfolio. Each one of these lines representing one of those projects that we have in our ePMO, complete with a series of state indicators for health, about the overall project status, schedule health, financial health, etc. And then our integration includes the ability to very quickly click through from this portfolio view to open up a project in Project Professional if it's being managed in Project Online with that ePMO ready tool set, or within Microsoft Project for the Web, if again, that's a lightweight tool that accidental or occasional project managers would prefer to use. So by incorporating both Project Online and Project for the Web projects into this single view, this single dashboard, and of course a single online environment, there's no need to skip back and forth between multiple environments. There's no need to worry about whether or not you have visibility into all of the activities that are happening in your organization. It is all visible within the Project Online environment and visible through this OnePlan portfolio planning view, no matter which tool you're using. And then finally, One other way of visualizing that same work that's happening, no matter what tool is in play, is through our comprehensive resource planning views. So in this view, we're seeing a list of our enterprise resources. We're seeing a timeline view for this current calendar year, and we see a heat map of where these resources are under or over allocated based on allocations across a variety of enterprise projects that are being delivered within the solution. So we can see Amy's assigned to 2 separate projects with specific hours of allocation across this calendar year, and we get into trouble starting in August when she's been over allocated between this collections management and e-commerce portal development project. So once again, we're able to tie all of this together using our OnePlan solution, using OneConnect together with Project Online, and with Project for the Web. We've taken this entire solution set and extended it now to support the entire spectrum of project management offerings that's coming from Microsoft. So after that quick walkthrough of the solution set, I'll just wrap up, speak quickly about the value of unified work management. As I've shown here today, we can consolidate all work and resources, no matter what the project management tool you're using, into a single view. If you've invested significantly in Project Online already, don't worry, Project for the Web extends the capability of that tool set together with OnePlan and WICRESOFT's OneConnect tools. You're able to incorporate Project for the Web lightweight schedules into your enterprise project management offering with Project Online. OneConnect ties that together, offering a holistic view of both resource availability and projects and portfolios that are being delivered within that tool. Our OneConnect solution, again, is the key here. It's tying together Project Online with a variety of different line of business solutions, including for software development, financial management, and the focus today, again, on work management with Project for the Web or other tools, offering you flexibility to deliver on the projects and the programs and portfolios that you've selected within your EPMO and within your Project Online enterprise ready solution with the tool set that's best suited to the task at hand. A couple of quick words about WICRESOFT. We were a joint venture with Microsoft in 2002, large multinational organization with about 6,500 employees. However, our North American practice around PPM, much smaller and much more focused on everything and anything Office 365 and specifically around Microsoft's project and portfolio management offerings. We have multiple gold partnerships, and we were Microsoft's 2019 Partner of the Year for PPM. And more recently, we've been extending our footprint globally through a number of different partnerships, extending this into Australia, Denmark, Mexico, and Brazil. We've had some recent success with Warner Brothers, where we delivered a hybrid solution mixing together project and the new Power Apps platform to allow that organization to rapidly get up and running and to deliver on a PPM solution with an enterprise project management focus and allowing the work delivery to happen in the tool of choice, be it Project Online or Project for the Web. And of course, we have a wide variety of other Microsoft enterprise customers where we've had success, everywhere from Kiewit to Bose, Pfizer, and Merck. So thanks very much for your time today. As some next steps, I'd like to propose that our account executives and our sales team can help you to assemble a PPM roadmap, to get going with a free trial and support from us during that trial for our OnePlan offering. And we'd love to deliver a personalized one-on-one demo for your organization. Our sales executives would love to hear from you If you are interested in these solutions and would like to plan some time with your teams where we can walk you through a one-on-one demo, complete with Q&A and interactive environment with your teams, we'd walk you through the entire solution set and how we can deliver value to your organization. So if you signed up for this webinar on our website, be aware that we're always posting upcoming webinars, and of course you can review some of our previously delivered webinars as an on-demand offering, including learning about Project for the Web and many other project online webinars that we've delivered over the years. Reach out to us at contactus@wicresoft.com or to me directly at dwellsby@wicresoft.com. And with that, I'd like to thank you for your time today and wish you a safe and happy holiday season.